Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine. This is Ellie Mae's butt. This is my pretty Ellie Mae, and she's assisting me in unboxing April 2022 of Eyescream Beauty. Now, if you're not familiar with Eyescream Beauty, they are a monthly beauty subscription. They really do focus mainly on makeup. Every once in a while, they'll throw in a skincare product, but for the most part, it is makeup, and you receive a palette in every box. Now, they have two plans available. They have the bag for $12.50, which you get 3 to 4 items each month, including a palette. And the box is $25 per month, and you receive 5 to 7 items in your box, including a palette each month. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for this month. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. These are the biodegradable peanuts. If you get them wet, they just disintegrate, and you can throw them away and feel fine, because when it rains at the garbage place, then they'll disintegrate. So let me get rid of those. And that is what I can see. Woo. You gonna help me? Excuse me. She is laying right here. This month's theme for April is You're Blooming. Now, you do receive a card with the list of items and their value. So the first thing I am pulling out is Be a Bombshell Eye Base, Big Teal. So that's what that looks like. Be a Bombshell Eye Base retails for $14. Let's go ahead and take a peek at that. Eye base. Now, is that a base? Like a primer? Or is it a color? It is a color. So that is what it looks like. Wow, look at that. That's very pretty. It is a cream eyeshadow, though I think I'm just gonna throw that in a future giveaway. I prefer powders, so that's going to be for one of you. The next thing, by Galactic, it is a Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Can you see that? There you go. Very pretty box. Nice rose color. Rose pink. And this retails for $20. Let's go ahead and give that a look-see. You know, there are times where I wear like a liquid lip that dries down to a matte, and wow, your lips really need something on them. Oh, look at that. It has rose petals in it. Very, very pretty. There's a little doe foot. You can wear this on your lips just alone, or you can put it over a lipstick if you'd like a little shine. So that's what these are really good for. Yeah, I'm excited to get that. The next thing by Mirabella is the Iconic Winged Liner and Stamp Kit. Okay. And this values for $20. So let's take a peek at that. Now, it's hard for me. I tried a stamp kit not too long ago, and it was very difficult, because if you look at my eye, not only is it hooded, but right here is my bone, the eye socket bone. So it prevents the stamp. I had the hardest time with the last stamp I tried. Winged Liner Stamp Kit. So on one side is the liner, and the other side is the stamp. So let's go ahead and take a peek. So here is the liner. Ooh, you can get really fine. Very flexible tip. It's obviously in black, but it felt a lot smoother than the other one I tried. And then here is your stamp, which is kind of hard to see. So let's just stamp it. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going to give that a try. And I also did learn that I need to start the point like under that bone and just have a short wing. I can't really have long wings. Did I tell you how much this was? This was $20. And then we have a banana setting powder by, who is it by? Can't really tell. BP. Bella Pierre. Banana setting powder. This is worth $30. I mean, wow. There you go, a little setting powder. Now, I use setting powder to set my shadow base, because I do use a cream shadow base, and then once that's all over there, then I set it with the powder. If I use powder on the rest of my face, it will make me look older. And that is a challenge at this age, to not look any older. Oh, and then the last thing is the Ace Beauty Quintessential Palette for $40. Look at that. It is a cruelty-free product, which is always nice. The Quintessential Palette is true to its name and represents the most perfect example of quality. It consists of 16 colors that can be used to create a broad range of looks from neutral to bold. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Well, we will have to see about that. All right, it is sealed a little bit here. Let's get that open. Ooh, is that packaged well? It's inside some bubble wrap. Oh, here we go. Oh, that is so pretty. That's what the back looks like. There is no mirror, which is surprising. And here are the colors. Wow, those are nice. Yeah. Yeah, these are pretty. I don't have any colors that are like a rose or, you know, a dark pink like that. I don't have any colors like that. So yeah, this will be fun. Let's go ahead and swatch that rose color. And that is just one time. Let's see how that blends out, even just with a finger. It blends out. There you go. Blends out a bit. Might have to work at it a little bit, but yeah. Okay. So what is the value of this box? This box equaled $104. All of that for 25 bucks. It gives you a chance to try products you normally wouldn't try. Like, would I have tried this banana powder? I don't know, but it was sent to me, so you know what? I'm gonna try it, and I might fall in love with it. And that is the best part about these boxes. And another good part is things that I don't use, I put in future giveaways just for you. And on that note, I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.